guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the Galarian tins here from Zenith. Let's get these cracking and see how many pulls we get. I'll do a recap at the end as well and show you my binder just to see how much we were able to fill up. Okay, let's get started with the video. Okay, let's get to opening the tins. I already took the wraps off. So I believe these tins come with 5 or 4 packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it comes with 5. So each come with 5. I'll place that there. The promo cards. Let's just be very careful. Code card there. Alright. I'll leave this here. I'll move these to the side really quickly. So that tin looked like it was messed up. So beautiful, so nice. Okay, I'll leave that right there. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place that there. Just don't want to make too much noise. Because either one, my puppy's gonna bark. Well, he's 7 months now, but he's still a little puppy to us. The kids are sound asleep, so I'm not too worried about that. The Moltres looks amazing. Look at that. The artwork, that pink fuchsia goes really well with that blue. Love that. Count these again. 5. This one feels kind of weird. Or is it just me? I'm probably just tripping, but it's fine. Alright, let's get to unpackaging these.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.